Hey, what's going on, everybody? So check this out. VeChain right now is sitting just under a cent at 0.0096 against the US dollar. And last night it actually did come up past a cent and penetrated through and went all the way up to roughly 0.0133, so 1.3 cents. Insane, guys. When I started the channel, VeChain was sitting, I don't know, between this 5 area and 0.6 area, roughly in between here, and we've just watched it every single day, basically moonshot. So this is insane. We're gonna go over this. We're gonna go over VeChain technical analysis. VetUSD up another 10% after a massive bull rally. We're gonna go over why this is happening. Coinbase is exploring support for 18 new digital assets. I know you guys have probably seen this by now, but VeChain is in here. For those of you who don't know, we'll quickly skim this. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. And I also want to go over VeChain bolsters traceability of Chinese pork products. So basically, this is going to be a VeChain video. There's so many amazing things happening with VeChain, and I really just want to cover it. So let's start here. VeChain is one of the few coins that has hit a new 2020 high, and VetUSD is in a strong daily uptrend since May 22. VeChain is trading around 1 penny at the time of writing after yet another bull break today on June the 11th. The digital asset has been trading inside a robust daily uptrend for almost 1 month now and is seeing a significant increase in trading volume. And as you guys can see here is the chart. The daily RSI is extremely overextended and indicates that some consolidation is needed. The last time the RSI was this extended was on June 2. Vet consolidated for the next 3 days and managed to create another leg up on the 4th day. The price is way above any of the daily EMAs, and the MACD is extremely bullish as well. VeChain is enjoying a surge in trading volume since September of 2019, when the digital asset only had around 31 million per day. Vet's trading volume today is an all-time high at 439 million, blowing out of the water the last high at 242 million. So guys, that is insane. And guys, if we look at the chart over here, we can see VeChain actually went all the way up last night to 0.013, so 1.3 cents roughly, which is insane. And right now it's sitting right back under, just under a penny at 0.0099. Now I have my entries on VeChain right here at 0.0033, and I also have another entry at 0.0055. So I'm up on both of my bags here, so I'm excited. This is awesome. If any of you guys have been holding VeChain, congratulations. I haven't sold yet, and the reason why I haven't sold is because these ribbons, all these EMAs are up. They're still looking to go up, and until they start to flatten, I probably really won't consider taking any profit. We can see when these ribbons get very far extended, they basically reach the peak. Like if we look right here, when these ribbons were most extended, the price was consolidating at very low levels. This would show you that it's very, very good buying opportunity. Then the ribbons flip. This yellow ribbon here comes up above, it surges up, and now this yellow ribbon is on top. So this is a good indicator that it's a good selling opportunity. But just because the fact that this just crossed over, VeChain could have a lot more left in the tank. I'm not looking to sell yet. I'm looking to see, if these ribbons start to flatten out, I'll probably look to take maybe, a position, try to get my initial investment back out. But as of right now, like as you guys can see, these ribbons can go up much, much more, and they can flatten out and they can go up again. So, really, I'm not the best technical analyst. I have friends who are much better technical analysts than me, and I'll probably consult them along with doing my own research. But that's not financial advice. Don't do anything I do or say just because I say it. Do your own research. Even I'm going to be consulting with people much, much smarter than me who've been trading a much longer time than I have. But exciting things for VeChain. Very, very exciting. It's at a penny. We'll see what it goes from here. Will it moonshot up to $1? Guys, probably not. Don't let that hype overtake you. Don't listen to people who are telling you it's from here, it's going to $1. I'm sure there's going to be corrections. All right, so just everybody calm down. If you're already in VeChain, that's great. Maybe consider taking out your initial investment. Maybe consider taking some profits. But I'll be honest with you guys, if I wasn't already in VeChain, I wouldn't be investing into it right now. Just like Zilliqa. Zilliqa's up about 600%. I didn't own Zilliqa before the pump, and I don't own Zilliqa now. I do not chase green candles. I do not invest emotionally. I'm not going to chase it. And if Zilliqa goes to a couple bucks, that's awesome. But I wasn't in the trade. You know what I'm in? I'm in VeChain. I'm in Link. I'm in XRP. I'm in a few other things. And when those take off, that'll be all good for me. But I'm not going to go around chasing these other coins. So That's just me. I definitely wouldn't be a buyer of VeChain right now, but I am glad I did buy in at the levels that I have. Bitcoin today is at 96, so that dropped a bit. It hit 10,000 yesterday, so Bitcoin is dropping off a little bit. Ethereum's at 241, and with all this bullish pumping going on, XRP is down to 19 cents. Litecoin's at 45. 8-cent Cardano. Tezos at 280. Chainlink at 428. Stellar is at 7 cents. And let's see, VeChain we know is just under a penny. We have Zilliqa at 2 cents, almost 3, and Theta is at 23 cents. So overall, the market's looking pretty good. Looks like we are having a little bit of a dumpage as I record this, though. So a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a retrace. I guess we'll see what happens with that. And isn't that funny? Every single one of these charts are dumping, just like Bitcoin. So keep in mind, guys, all these things for now just follow Bitcoin. The entire crypto space is very coupled to Bitcoin. Our fear and greed index today is 52. Again, as long as Bitcoin keeps holding at its daily moving averages, then everything's going to be fine. Everything will keep pumping. And if Bitcoin falls below its critical moving averages, then we'll see other things start to retrace along down with it. But that's why we're seeing VeChain pump. That's why we're seeing Cardano pump. We're seeing a lot of different altcoins pump simply because Bitcoin is in bullish territory. Bitcoin's not pumping to $15,000, but it is in bullish territory. It's sitting on support of its daily moving averages. So guys, 432 subscribers. I just gotta say thank you so much. This channel is growing a lot faster than I expected. We're under 3 weeks old. We're like 2.5, 3 weeks old. And I just gotta say, you guys' support has been so amazing. I put a ton of effort yesterday into this video. It's how XRP can make you a millionaire realistically. If you hold XRP, I would highly suggest giving it a watch. It's more for entertainment and critical thinking. I try to go over how XRP could make you a millionaire if you sell it realistically. Price levels. So how much XRP would you need if you're looking to sell at $10, at $20, rather than if you guys know a lot of people are like, oh, I'm going to put in $100, I'll have 1,000 XRP and I'll sell it $1,000. You know, that BS, right? How do we make $1 million with XRP on the next upcoming bull run? If you guys are interested with that, check it out. If you guys could like the video, that would help me immensely. And if you guys could subscribe, we are growing insanely quick, and I'm just excited to keep bringing you all content. So as you guys know, Coinbase is exploring support for 18 new digital assets. I know you guys haven't seen this, but just in case if you haven't, one of the digital assets they are putting on is VeChain. They're also putting on SNX, SC, RNDR, REN, OGN, NMR, LPT, Zen, Digibyte, COMP, BNT, AR, ANT, and Lend. The only coins that I have heard of this before are Lend, Digibyte, and VeChain, and siacoin. I have heard of siacoin, but that's it. I mean, I've seen Ren, but mainly all these other coins I've never seen, and I'm not going to invest into them just because Coinbase is listing them. It might be an unpopular opinion, but I only invest into the projects I can understand, not the projects that Coinbase is going to launch. And I try to do the same. Try to do your own research. Just because Coinbase is listing a coin doesn't mean you should necessarily invest into that coin without doing proper, extensive research on that coin. Now, I also want to show you guys, so VeChain has been going up. Now, this VeChain has been going up mainly, I think, because of the Coinbase news, but I want to show you guys, you know, don't think that the only thing VeChain has going for it right now is just getting listed on Coinbase, because it's pumping just because of a rumor of it being listed on Coinbase. And I mean, it's really not even a rumor. It's put out by Coinbase that they're going to list it, but it's not even on Coinbase. So it's an anticipated Coinbase pump. So then when it actually hits Coinbase, it'll probably pump another 20, 30, maybe 40%. I mean, it's really hard to say, but when coins do hit Coinbase, they do tend to pump hard. But also remember that VeChain actually has a working product. If you guys saw my last VeChain video, we saw VeChain stamps and QR code tracking on pork and chicken, I think it was, at Sam's Club China. So just remember that VeChain does have a working product. So let's take a quick look at this. VeChain bolsters traceability of Chinese pork product. Blockchain-based supply chain solutions proliferate as VeChain establishes partnerships with fresh meat suppliers. Traceability-focused blockchain project VeChain has announced a partnership with China's Shenzhen Yuhongtai Foods Company. This will allow Shenzhen to track pork products distributed by the retail subsidiary Majida Fresh Foods. The partnership will see detailed information concerning how pork sold by Majida was raised and its route to supermarkets, with fresh meat products sold by the chain mandated to be sold on the same day as harvest. Unsold produce is, quote, systematically collected and processed and will not be sold the next day. Majida will use VeChain's toolchain and blockchain to provide detailed data concerning the origin, processing, and logistics information surrounding meat produced by the Chinese retailer. Consumers will be able to access the untamperable data underpinning the supply chain and production of Majida's pork products by scanning a QR code printed on the packaging of the company's product. Majida and Shenzhen Yuhongtai Foods emphasize that more products will be included as part of the company's blockchain program in the future. As enterprise adoption of distributed ledger technology, or DLT, grows, competition is heating among firms seeking to position themselves as providing a bridge between large enterprise and blockchain. At the end of last May, Amazon filed a patent for a blockchain-based system designed to track goods moving across the supply chain. India's largest port operator, Apsez, launched a partnership with IBM's TradeLens platform to digitize supply chain processes. ONT also recently forged a partnership with German digital identity firm Sverity to drive advancements in supply chain-based identity solutions. Insane, guys. There are a lot of good things coming with VeChain. Where it's going as far as price action, who knows? Who knows how high it will go? It might start retracing here, but all this bullish news, bullish price action, Coinbase listing it, so much hype around VeChain. Right now, you are literally seeing FOMO before your very eyes. This is a Heikin-Ashi graph, so it's tracking the momentum, and you guys can see we had all this upward swinging momentum and one candle of negative momentum, and then more upswinging positive momentum. You combine all that with all the news that's going on, all the use cases that's going on, all the rumors, and it's insane, guys. So I'm very glad I'm holding VeChain. I'm glad I invested into it at the times I did. And guys, I wouldn't be buying VeChain at a penny right now. You might miss out. Maybe it will go to 2-3 cents. You're like, wow, I should have bought it at a penny. Me personally, I wouldn't. And the reason why I wouldn't is for the same reason why I'm not buying Zilliqa. It's already pumped. Zilliqa's already up 600%. Why am I going to buy an asset that's inflated 600%? The time to buy cryptos is at the bottom, okay? It's just my 2 cents, though, right? That's just my opinion. You guys got to do whatever you want. You guys got to do your own research. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead and drop it a like. And if you like daily cryptocurrency videos, giving you guys news, market sentiment, analysis, everything like that, please go ahead and subscribe to The Digital Investor. If you're a digital investor and you're investing into digital assets, this is the channel where you want to be. With all that said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.